Would you like more money? Well, here's 5 dangerous words that literally block you from attracting money in your life. If you wanted to grow your bank account, get out of debt, get a promotion, these 5 words are literally words that stop the actual flow of money from coming into your life. So check out these 5 words. This is Jake Ducey with JakeDucey.com, and let's dive right into the video. Can't make money at that. Can't make money at that. Can't make money at that. How many times have you heard that? Saying can't make money at that literally stops you from finding out how you could make money at it. If you can make money at a job that you hate, or a job you dislike, or a job you do not want to be at, imagine what you could do if you were doing something you really wanted to do, you were passionate about, and that you loved. Even if you were only able to do it part-time at the start. If you could make money at doing something you hate, you could definitely make money at doing something that you want. Can't make money at that. No, you can't make money at that. No, here are your options. Here's what you're supposed to do. We're told that forever. It's absolutely ridiculous. It's ludicrous to say that you can't make money at something. Especially if it's something that's semi-reasonable. I mean, there's people that have Harry Potter fan clubs that make 7 figures on the internet off a Harry Potter blog. And that's what I used to tell myself, can't make money at that. But get this, there's all these like financial gurus that talk about you need to use this business system and this business system, and you've got to invest, this is the only, invest in stocks, invest in real estate, this doesn't work, you've got to do it only this way. And they talk about the tactical things to create money. But they're missing the most important thing, which is the psychology of it. So if you have an unconscious assumption that you can't make money at something, or you've actually been programmed subconsciously by other people and it's influenced you subconsciously and it's your assumption, it's going to control your entire life. Get this, 95% of your thoughts, feelings, and actions, of your behaviors, are literally subconscious. They're habitual. This is not airy-fairy. This is psychologically proven. 95% of your actions and your thoughts are habitual and subconscious. They're unconscious. They're programmed into you. Well, what do you think decides and defines those programs? It's the assumptions that we have. If you literally have an assumption that you can't make money at something, unconsciously, you've already told yourself that you can't do that. So given that 95% of your life, and that includes your working career and how you earn and create money in your life and how much comes into your life, all of that is subconscious. So if you have an assumption that you cannot make money at that, subconsciously, there's going to be no ways to bring money into your life. You're going to sabotage opportunities. You're going to decline the good opportunities, pick the bad opportunities. You're going to constantly procrastinate, even though you're reading books on how to stop procrastinating and watching like raw motivational videos that are like, you gotta work every hour of the day and here's what you have to do, and you watch those things, but then 20 minutes later you're still procrastinating watching more of those videos. Why? Because unconsciously we're programmed in that way. Can't make money like that. Comment down below, I attract money easily doing what I love. I attract money easily doing what I love. Imagine if that was your belief system. Imagine if you literally believed, I attract money easily doing what I love. So do me a favor, stop dismissing your ideas before they even get started. Stop dismissing possibilities before they even get started. I mean, the Wright brothers bent a piece of metal and they flew it over the freaking ocean. Like, they flew it in the freaking air. Edison figured out how to flip a switch and make lights come on. Dude, we're sitting here with candles and this dude is like, yeah, I mean, I think we'll put a light over here. If I flip this switch, it'll power the whole world. Dude, that is ridiculous. But he didn't say, well, you can't flip a switch and make lights come on. Dude, you wouldn't even be watching this video if that guy had that same belief system. The greatest possibilities are on the other side of that belief system. So how can you make money? Literally, how can you make money? Because You can attract money easily doing what you love. So if that's a crazy belief system to you and it's hard to wrap your mind around, download my free success hypnosis, jakeshypnosis.com. It's right there down below, jakeshypnosis.com. This is real. This is how it works. I've been doing what I've been doing for 8 years. And in the last 18 months, I made more money than the last 6 years combined. In 18 months, I made more money than 6 years combined. How? How does that happen? I haven't changed anything other than the way I view myself, my world, my business, and money. I used to invest in all of these business coaches that would give me the right business system. Hey, you have to do this. Oh, you have to use Facebook. Oh, you have to use Instagram. Oh, you need to be a college speaker. Here's how you do it. Oh, and it was all about do, and systems, outer things. And that's how we generally think. We're too focused on the outer thing. Oh, you can't make money as a painter. Oh, you can't make money as a business person. Oh, you can't make money this way. And we get focused on the outer things. And I was always focused on the outer things, but I hadn't changed my relationship with money and how I viewed the possibilities of it coming into my life. And what ended up happening is I paid somebody a bunch of money to be my business coach, to give me the exact proven system of how I'd make money. And it was that I was going to be a college speaker. And here was the exact steps I needed to take. It was all focused exterior. And what ended up happening is that person took money and didn't render service to me. And it was extremely disheartening at the time. And it was super sad, and I was heartbroken. I didn't know what I was going to do with my life, and this person was my hero and my mentor. And now I was heartbroken by them. And then I just didn't know what I was going to do with my life. I put all my eggs in one basket. I was going to follow this guy's path in life and be just like this guy. And my world shattered. Well, out of that world shattering, I decided I was going to do whatever the hell I wanted to do. I wasn't going to ask other people what system I needed. I was going to do what I wanted to do. I was going to listen to my heart, and I was going to say, screw everything outside of me. I'm doing what I want to do. And God, universe, I demand that I become successful at this. I'm telling you, I demand it. And I would get heated with God, And I decided I wanted to do YouTube. So I went from only focusing on everything else to dropping everything I was doing. I built a Facebook with I don't know how many people on it, 40, 50,000, something like that. And I don't even post on it anymore. I just don't really like it. I don't ever post on Instagram. I don't really like it. I like YouTube. And I started with 2 views, 3 views, 4 views, 70 views. And for a while I was getting 40, 50, 60, 70 views. You can see some of my old videos if you sort by oldest videos. I wasn't getting any traction. But I believed I could make money like that, and I was going to follow my idea through. I wasn't going to give up on my idea before I even saw what could happen. And what ended up happening is in 18 months I made more money than I made in the previous 6 years. And since the start of this year, in 1 month, I made almost more money than I made the previous year. In 1 month. I've changed my relationship with money. I now say I attract money easily doing what I love. Comment that down below. I attract money easily doing what I love. And download my free success hypnosis, jakeshypnosis.com. I created that hypnosis and I started listening to it every single day. Literally this thing that I'm offering to you, that the hypnosis, I've literally created that for myself, and it worked so well I started sharing with people, and that's eventually how I put it up on the internet. It's down below. And so what ended up happening was I said, I'm going to make money doing what I love on my own terms, the way my heart is inspired. I don't care what other people say. And then it worked out. So you might need to start part-time. Who cares? My wife, she's now a full-time artist. She makes incredible money as an artist. She just finished selling a $10,000 art piece to Australia. And she's crushing it. She made more money doing one art piece than she made in 6 months at her old job when she used to fold clothes at Brandy Melville. And she wanted to be an artist, but she was like, oh, I can't make money that way, or is this gonna work out? And she was freaking out, crying. She was like, what if I put into it and it doesn't work out? Well, she started part-time. She went from working over 40 hours a week at her clothing job to cutting the hours, saving her money, so that she could have a platform to eventually quit. She started selling her art for $50. The same pieces, you know, they're better now. She's gotten better at it and they're bigger or whatever. But those same style of wood burning art, and her website is ashleyhallart.com for anyone that wants to look at it. And she went from full-time at her clothing job to part-time to creating this incredible income. So my point is, it doesn't matter whether you're full-time, part-time, whatever, you gotta ride it through. Stop saying can't make money like that and start saying I attract money easily doing what I love. Comment that down below. I attract money easily doing what I love. Hit the subscribe button and the bell notification right over there in the corner. The bell notification is what notifies you for new videos. So even if you already subscribed, make sure you hit the bell notification. I'm talking really fast because my camera battery is about to die. Bell notification, download my free success hypnosis, hit like on this video, make sure you're subscribed, comment down below, I attract money easily doing what I love. Write that down as your affirmation. Have a beautiful day and go and tackle your biggest dreams.